Hello friends, today I will discuss about the theme of A Change of Skies, who was written by Yasmin Gunratne. In this novel, many themes included. So let's see. First theme is past affects the future. I explain this. Gunratne encompasses various themes in her writing. One theme that continually appears in her works is reflection upon how the past affects the future. She relies many of her own experiences to make her points more personal and more real to the reader. The second theme is clash of cultures and adaptations. The novel deals with the theme of cultural conflicts found in the first and the latest waves of migration. The characters belonging of two different centuries endure the cultural conflicts, but they respond to them differently. The third theme is acceptance and willingness. The expatriate experience of these characters resemble the theme of acceptance and willingness, which Gunratne herself seems to have practiced to get accustomed to an alien soil. Fourth theme is reflection of history. A Change of Skies has the so little of a researched social history and also the charm and intimacy of personal reminiscence. Her gift for comedy is evident here in the delightful short story that bring vividly to life an array of eccentric characters, remembered with humor and affection. Fifth theme is Edward Diaries. Edward is the character of the novel. He is the grandfather of the protagonist Barry. Okay, the experience of Edward Mangladas Dal Sinha, it is the full name of the Edward, are projected in the extract of his diaries. Sixth theme is hostility and superiority. Edward's diaries provide themes of hostility and superiority. He finds the Australian settlers rude. He gives a historical context to the difference he finds between the British governors of Sri Lanka and those of the Australian colonies. Seventh theme is liberty. The sparkling fabrication of theme of liberation with the theme of cultural assimilation can be related to the successful understanding of one's own self in relation to the others. Theme of 8, compassion. Gunratne also believes in the technique of repetition to show the thirst on the idea she wanted to express. She repeats the experiences of Edward with Jean and Barry, who is the character of the novel, to bring to the fore the theme of compassion to the reader. Ninth theme is immigration and adjustment. Another theme includes aspect of immigration and adjustment to new lands. This theme is exemplified in A Change of Skies. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please like and subscribe it. Thank you.